Hey everybody, this is Mr. Marshall. I have a great book for you. Are you ready? This is called Naughty Little Monkeys by Jim Aylesworth. Hope you like it. This book has a real pattern to it because it's going to go through all the letters of the alphabet. And this book has words that rhyme and words that have a rhythm. I think you're going to enjoy it when you hear it. Ready? Naughty Little Monkeys. Naughty little monkeys know a lot of tricks. But Mom thinks they're angelic. All naughty 26. A. Naughty little monkey has a folded airplane. He flies it all around until the rest complain. B. Naughty little monkey jumping on her bed. It won't be much too longer before she bunks her head. Do you hear the rhythm? Do you hear how there's a letter on every page? C. Naughty little monkey eating chocolate cake. If she eats another bite, she'll get a tummy ache. D. Naughty little monkey swinging on the drape. The curtain rod is bending into a funny shape. Look at that. I know I would get in a lot of trouble for that. E. Naughty little monkey wearing mom's earrings. She's been told before not to touch her things. Uh-oh. Don't do that at home. F. Naughty little monkey fooling with the fish. All his fingers in the bowl going splashy splish splish. Oh. What's next? That's right. G. G. Naughty little monkey playing with her gum, pulling pink and gooey strings from her teeth out to her thumb. Ew. H. Naughty little monkey snipping off his hair, but he's clipped too much now. Off to the barber's chair. Naughty little monkey. He's careless with ice cream. The drips are dripping down in a steady sticky stream. That was ice cream, right? Do you notice the names on the shirts? Start with the letters. Naughty little monkey. She's spreading grape jelly. She's got it smeared all over her hands and chin and belly. That was J. K. Naughty little monkey zooming with her kite. The string is getting tangled on everything in sight. Oh no, look at that. All over the place. Mm-mm. L. Naughty little monkey drawing with lipstick. When his mama sees this, it will make her feel quite sick. M. Naughty little monkey loves his baseball mitt. Playing ball indoors, he really ought to quit. And naughty little monkey cutting up the news. If daddy hasn't read it, he'll surely blow his fuse. Oh, naughty little monkey waiting by the oven. When the timer starts to ding, watch out, there may be shoving. P. Naughty little monkey stacking his pancakes, all the syrups pouring off into brown and gluey lakes. Ugh. Imagine having to clean that up. Q. Naughty little monkey underneath his quilt. He'll try to scare his sister from the fort that he just built. Or Naughty little monkey tracking up the rug. Her feet are very muddy from some holes that she has dug. S. Naughty little monkey goes speeding down the slide. She is bound to get bruised from such a wild ride. T. Naughty little monkey wearing daddy's ties. He should really know by now that such a thing's not wise. Don't do this at home. You. Naughty little monkey under mom's umbrella. It's far too big and heavy for such a little fella. V. Naughty little monkey with a brand new violin. By now her brother's patience is wearing very thin. W. Naughty little monkey splashing soapy water. This way to take a bath her mother never taught her. Uh-oh, they're coming home. X. Naughty little monkey banging his xylophone. His mom and dad are wishing that they had not come home. Y. Naughty little monkey, not careful with his yo-yo. Watch out for that street lamp. Oops, now it's an oh no. Uh-oh. Mom and dad look kind of mad, don't they? Z. Naughty little monkeys heading for the zoo. That's where all the monkeys go. And the ABCs are through. And that is the end. I hope you like that story. I'll see you next time.